Hey cake lovers, welcome to my channel. So today guys, I'll be sharing with you 3 amazing recipes. These recipes are really easy to make and it's sure to bring joy and light up the romance in your marriage. Let's get started. So here are my ingredients to make my first nighttime snack. You'll find the measurement in the description below. So we're just going to prepare our pan by spraying with some cooking spray and lining with some parchment paper. And in goes our sugar now, and our melted butter and eggs now. And we'll mix with our cooking oil and our vanilla, and we'll mix that into a smooth paste. It's a one bowl recipe guys, it's really easy. It's time to incorporate our dry ingredients with the wet, and in goes our flour now. And our cocoa powder. So guys, it's really important to sieve your dry ingredients. It incorporates a lot of air and it also eliminates some clumps in the flour. So right now we're just gonna mix that all together, and in goes our salt now, and we mix really well. In goes our chocolate bar. I just chopped it into large chunks and then mix that in. So guys, it's ready for baking. So we're just going to pour the batter into our prepared pan and you level it off. So we're just going to tap the pan to release any air bubble. And it's up for baking. So guys, it's ready. It's ready guys. As you know guys, romance is really important in every union. So I thought I'd create this romantic nighttime snack. It is sure to spice up the romance in your marriage. So guys, I'm just gonna cut the brownies in squares, and I love the outcome of this guys. You can see it is moist, it is dense, and your brownies have to be dense because they have no baking powder or soda. Oh my gosh, can you see those chunks of chocolate? It's amazing guys. I love this recipe. I'm gonna show you how to plate it to make this dessert really romantic. You want to stay up late and you can enjoy it in your bedroom, in your living room, having great conversation. And here's my whipped cream, and I'll just whip it all around. So I'm just gonna place some chocolate on top and drizzle with my chocolate sauce. Really yummy. It's ready guys, it's ready. It's the taste time. The light fluffy whipped cream pairs really well with the densely chocolatey brownie. You have to try this recipe. And it's time to prepare our 1-minute mug cake. I love this recipe guys, it's very easy to make. So I just added in my flour, sugar, baking powder and cocoa powder, and I'll mix well. And it's time to add our wet ingredients. In goes my oil and milk and our vanilla for flavor, and we mix also really well. So I'm gonna throw in some chocolate chips and mix also. It's optional guys, it just makes it really yummy. And it's up to the microwave. So guys, we're just gonna cook for 1 minute. It's a 1-minute mug cake. It's really easy. I hope you try this recipe guys. It is sure to spice up the romance in your marriage. and it's ready, guys. Add my ice cream and whip up some whipped cream all around. It's the taste time, so I'm just gonna go through the whipped cream and ice cream and down to the chocolate cake. Oh, I love the light and fluffy whipped cream with the rich and creamy ice cream and then the chocolate cake. It is amazing, guys. I love the beautiful combination. You will love this late night snack. So guys, it's time to prepare our last 1 minute mug cake. This is really special for that special moment. So same as the previous cake, you just add all your dry ingredients, you mix well, and you add your wet ingredients. So this is gonna be a red velvet cake for that red special moment. And that's it, guys. I'm just gonna add some red food coloring and I'll mix really well. And guys, don't forget the measurement for this recipe will be in the description box. Please do well to check it out. And we'll just microwave for 1 minute and it's ready, guys. So I'm just gonna plate it to reflect the moment, and it's the taste time. Oh my gosh, it's soft. You can see how fluffy it is. It is amazing, guys. You have to try this recipe. So guys, now you know 3 different ways to spice up the romance in your marriage. Have you subscribed to my channel? Please guys, subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and let's become a family. So right now I'm just gonna make our last dessert to tie up all this late night snack, and it's just a simple drink. You just want to pour in some fizzy drink and top it up with some whipped cream, and it's setting to just light up your night. I love you so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. But before you go, guys, have a drink. Cheers.